Here are 5 times Peter Griffin killed animals, and it gets worse every second.
Oh my God, what did you do?
He was supposed to get away.
He took the last one personal.
Oh my God!
Peter, you killed it!
Well, you guys relax. He's got 8 more lives. Okay, 7 more lives. So I figured out a way to kill 2 birds with 1 stone. Like this. The key to that, Lois, is big rock, small birds.
Hey, boo-boo, let's see what we got in this picnic basket.
Tell the other bears what you just saw.